What's up, marshmallow lovers? Today we're making ginger peach marshmallows. Okay, on this particular day, I forgot my knives, so I had to use my pizza wheel to cut open my peaches. If you cut them like a hamburger and not a hot dog, you can turn it and split it and you get the pit right out. So remember I said this was ginger peach. So I juiced some ginger for this recipe. Be sure to use a wide pot and add about a pound of peaches. Don't add the pits to it. And we're gonna do 2 cups of brown sugar. Then we'll add 4 ounces of corn syrup, or you could add molasses for a deeper flavor. And we'll put in some brandy, about a teaspoon of brandy, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. The first batch that I made the mistake of adding my ginger to my bloom, but add your ginger to your peaches in your pot. While your syrup is cooking, we're gonna get our bloom together. So we're gonna need 4 ounces of water, 2 ounces of gelatin. So I use a fish gelatin, so if you're using a pork gelatin, you might just need 1.5 ounces of gelatin. And this particular fish gelatin is no longer available, but I'll put a link below of the new fish gelatin that I use. Then I made the mistake of adding the ginger to my bloom. The enzymes in ginger will break down the gelatin, so you don't want to add it here. This is a mistake. You're going to add 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon, depending on how strong you like it, of ginger to your syrup mixture. Always add vanilla. Love vanilla in all my marshmallows. And a pinch of salt. While your gelatin is setting, let's get back to those peaches. So I used a masher to mash down the peaches inside of there and break up those peaches and get more flavor out of them. Once that's done, we have to sift it. I don't know why I didn't bring out my sifter for this, but take your sifter, put it over the bowl, and then sift out all of your peaches. But one good thing that's nice about making fruit purees is that now you have this jam left over. So I have some ginger peach cinnamon jam that I can use for another purpose. Put it on some toast. And now we're gonna add our syrup to our gelatin. If you're new to this, use a microwavable bowl and microwave your gelatin for about 30 seconds before you add your syrup. This will help you to avoid having any clumps of gelatin inside of your marshmallows. Give this a stir to combine, and then we're going to add it to our mixing bowl and turn it up high and start whipping those marshmallows until they double in size. So I pipe all of my marshmallows into molds, and to do this I'll get a piping bag and put it into a tall, deep container. This way I can pour my marshmallows into it hands-free. However, if you're going to pour your marshmallows into a pan, at this point, that's when you'll get your pan, maybe 9 by 13, and spray it with some non-stick spray, and then you'll be ready to pour your marshmallows right into the pan once they've doubled in size. Now that my marshmallows have doubled in size, I can use my high heat spatula to start scraping out that marshmallow into my piping bag. And then I'll cut off the tip of the marshmallow and we'll start piping. And you do want to be quick about piping because the marshmallow will start to set inside of the bag. So I kind of do under whip my marshmallows a little bit when I'm piping each and every one of them. Let your marshmallows set up overnight, and there you have it, some ginger cinnamon peach marshmallows. I'm Chef Saida Farrell. Thank you for watching the Marshmallow Experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you'd like more recipes, and let me know in the comments below the next marshmallow I should make that's all natural from scratch. See you next time.